Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Recruitment society workers not ready to withdraw, demands written assurance from government. Government proposes walk-in interview proposal, workers adamant. Cabinet drops jail proposal at Kurka, decides to bring Ponda in South Goa, extension for Narega workers. BJP declares Siddharth Kunkalenkar as their Panji candidate. BJP leaders declare Siddharth's name during Karyakarta meeting in Panji on Friday evening. Sudden rain in several parts of Goa, low pressure belt along South India. Agriculture officials say seasonal crop may get hit. And Goa beat Kerala by 9 wickets in BCCI Women's League. India all-rounder Shikha Pandey shines. Goa just one victory away from qualification to national round. And now the news in detail. Hectic efforts are on for a settlement between the government and employees sitting on a hunger strike. Employees demand a written assurance from the government. Talks were on till late Friday evening. Government held a meeting with a union leader and few workers but has not given any written assurance. Sources say government has forwarded a proposal of walk-in interview to the workers. Government will absorb them in service the moment the interviews are over. Workers are adamant on a written assurance. GRES employees are on an indefinite hunger strike from past 3 days at Azad Maidan. Talks were on between the workers, union leaders and the government till late evening. Chief Minister Parsekar held talks with few workers along with their leader Swati Kerkar. MLA Pramod Sawant also participated in the talks as a mediator. Union leader Ajit Singh Rane was kept out of the delegation.
सगळे डिमांड त्यांचे आज जेन्ना मुख्यमंत्र्या वजीर मांडले मुख्यमंत्र्यान तांकां पटोवन दिले की कशा रितीन भारतीय जनता पार्टीचे सरकार बारीक लोकांची काळजी घेता आणि तुमचे जे वर्कर सेक्युरिटी म्हणून थंय काम करता गेली कोणी 1.5 वर्स 2 वर्सां आनी चडांत चड कोणी 8-10 वर्सां आसतले थोडे जाण आसात उगे तांकां सगळ्यांक आमी सांबाळून घेता आणि तांकां सगळ्यांच्यो ह्युमन रिसोर्स कॉर्पोरेशनान त्यांची अपॉइंटमेंट केली वयतली बट ती टप्प्याटप्प्यांनी आमी पयली एडवर्टायजमेंट 500ची जाली सेकंड एडवर्टायजमेंट आतां ऑलरेडी काडल्या फुडल्यो 2 एडवर्टायजमेंट आणि एक थोड्या 5-6 म्हयन्या भितर त्या मदीं दोनूय अपॉइंटमेंट्स येतल्यो आणि ज्या प्रमाणे एज तेंची थोडीशी रिलॅक्सेशन दिवन तांकां ह्युमन रिसोर्स कॉर्पोरेशनान सांबाळून घेतले वयतले.
Sources say government has agreed to all their demands but is not ready to give any written assurance. Workers demanded a written assurance from government or else want the Chief Minister to meet the workers at Azad Maidan. Swati Kerkar says now it's left to the workers whether or not to call off their strike.
सीएमाचो मेसेज असो आशिल्लो की आतां येणारे 6 म्हयन्या भितर आमी जे सोसायटी अंडर जे भुरगे आसा तांकां आमी ह्युमन रिसोर्स डेव्हलपमेंट सरकारान केल्लें आसा कॉर्पोरेशन तेच्या भितर आमी सगळ्यांक आमी भितर घेतले पूण आमी जेन्ना येवन हांगा हे भुरग्यांक सांगलें ते भुरग्यांचो अशें म्हणणें आसा की हे सगळें येवन आमकां सीएमान येवन हांगा सांगचें किंवा इन रायटींग दिवचें आमी हो स्ट्रायक आजून आमी कॉल ऑफ करूंक ना.
Sources say government has proposed walk-in interview for GRES employees under the HRD corporation. It has also assured all the workers will be absorbed in services within 6 months. However, workers were reluctant to withdraw their strike till late night on Friday, demanding a written assurance from the government. Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar with video journalist Dinesh Karpe for Prudent. Cabinet has decided to drop the proposal of jail at Kurka. The government has also decided to induct Ponda in South Goa now. Government has decided to extend contractual appointments of Narega workers. District headquarters at Ponda and Mapsa will be set up soon. Cabinet also discussed on the issue of recruitment society workers. Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar held a cabinet meeting, but there was no briefing thereafter. Candidates for Panji by-poll are almost final now. BJP has declared Siddharth Kunkalenkar as Panji by-poll candidate. BJP leaders during Karyakarta meeting at Menezes Braganza Hall declared their candidate. Now it's Siddharth Kunkalenkar versus Babush Montserrat versus Surendra Furtado versus Iris Rodriguez for Panji by-poll.
BJP leaders and Karyakartas held a meeting at Menezes Braganza Hall. Defence Minister and former Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar was present for the meeting has finalized Siddharth Kunkalenkar as their Panji candidate. Around 200 Karyakartas from Panji were present for the meeting. Parrikar said that Siddharth will break his 2012 election votes record. Parrikar said that Siddharth is a candidate selected by a majority of the Karyakartas. On the other side, Congress has almost finalized Surendra Furtado for Panji by-poll. His name will be officially announced within next 2 days. Babush Montserrat has also geared up for Panji. It will be a battle for Panji between Siddharth Kunkalenkar, Babush Montserrat, Surendra Furtado and Iris Rodriguez. Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar for Prudent.
Rain spells with thunder surprised Goans on Thursday night. A low pressure belt along South India from Kanyakumari to Madhya Pradesh has resulted the climatic change in Goa, Karnataka and Maharashtra. Recruitment Society workers who were on indefinite hunger strike camping at Azad Maidan were almost hit by the sudden downpour. Agriculture Department says mango plantation may get hit due to these rains. Met Department has predicted rains in Goa for next 2 days.
Goans were surprised with the sudden downpour on Thursday night. It was raining heavily in capital and other parts of Goa for around 2 hours. Formation of low pressure belt in South India over Kanyakumari to Madhya Pradesh has resulted in sudden rainfall. Recruitment Society workers were highly affected, inconvenienced due to these rains. A mango tree crashed down at Azad Maidan.
कालच्यान जो पावस झडला तेन्ना आमकां खूब त्रास जाले पावसा लागून कित्याक खातीर खंयच बसपाक जागो नासलो आनी फकत हेच एक आसलें बसपा खातीर आमकां न्हिदपा नाल्यार खंय बसतलो म्हळ्यार जागो ना जालो खुबशे भुरगे अशे ओपन एरिया जे कडेन जागो मेळटा त्या कडेन बसले आनी खूब त्रास जाले बायलांक चडांत चड त्रास जाले त्या बायलांक एकटो आमचो भुरगो वयतालो थंय युरीन पास करपा टॉयलेटार तर त्याच टायमार हो हांव पडलो बरो साल्वार जालो ना.
Here we can see how the rainfall has destroyed the mango flowers. Sudden and unseasonal rainfall may damage the seasonal crops like mango and cashew. Met Department has predicted rainfall for next 2 days. Agriculture Director says mango plantation and crops in low-lying areas may get affected if rain continues for next 2 days.
जे आंबे फुल्ल्या तेजेर मातशें कितें तरी इफेक्ट जावपाक शकता आनी पडले जाल्यार आयज फाल्यां आंबे पडले आतां जे शेतां आसा भातशें तेंचे लोकांचे चड करून तो रोग घातलेलो आसा रोंपूंक ना सो थिंगा एक दिसान पावस पडलो म्हूण कांय प्रॉब्लेम जावचें ना. भाजयेक कितें तरी म्हूण तूं लोकांक शेतांत रोयला जाल्यार तेका कितें इफेक्ट जावपाक जाता भाजयेक चड करून उदक भरलें जालें जे जागो सकल आसा उदक भरपाचो जागो आसा.
Bureau Report Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.